Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Huawei 11i louder. So on the first step, open the app gallery and then look for the volume booster app. Now choose one of them. I'm using the Goodie app. Now click no thank you or disagree 3 times and tap on the close window. Now tap on OK and the tool is active. You can increase or decrease the volume booster power by this little slider. The 60% is max, so just adjust it to your needs. And now if you tap on the home screen or just kill the process in the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to deny it, open it from the home screen. Sorry, not that one. And click stop service. Now click OK and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.